What could this be? This is my carbon roof. That is the dash flock kit bit thing. Crack. There and there. Figured it's like impossible to have something like this spread will be shit. Yeah, it's on both sides too. There's a crack there, there, and there.
От доставки? Будешь назад посылать?
I don't know.
Ну, конечно, а как же?
God damn it.
Звони.
There's 3 cracks. There's one over there, one there, and one there. This is my hood. Or not my hood, I'm sorry, my roof. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. And I can fix this, it's just the carbon isn't going to be seen anymore. I can sand it down and patch it from the back, it just won't really help. Because the whole point was I was going to wrap it. I was going to wrap the roof in the color instead of painting it, so that if I ever switch colors I can just peel off the wrap and then you can still have the exposed carbon.
You don't want to send it back?
No, I mean, I don't know what you have to do in this case. This isn't something you fix, you just have to... 1,000 shipped.
For $1,000 to deal with.
Most likely I'm gonna have to go through whoever shipped it. That's what happens with stuff like this. It's not like it's the company's fault. When they put it in, clearly it wasn't cracked. So after it leaves their warehouse, it's not their responsibility. Meaning I have to actually go through UPS or something like that. And then I have to file a claim, which takes like months. It's not that it's so what, I'm gonna do it, it's just I'm gonna end up probably painting this, installing this, and then whatever money they give me, I'm just gonna use it for something else, because at that point it won't be worth it to order another one of these. So this is the dash flock kit. This is the back of flock. It's like dust, you can kind of see it on the packaging, the little bits. It has the glue, which I would pop, and I would take a brush to spread it all across the dash, and then I would put all the flock in here. Open up this little hole, and then this gun would screw onto the big portion, and then it would shoot all the flock out of this. The gun thing was like an extra $80, but it says that it'll get the best OEM look possible because it'll be spread through and using a compressor like a paint gun almost. Maybe I'll do this tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna go register the $400 shit car thing, and then yeah, my 1993. Yeah, it's 2003. My bad. I accidentally said the wrong thing. But then the roof. I talked to the company, and obviously it's not really their fault because it's all shipping company, if anything, because once it leaves fine. So I am probably going to end up fixing it, but the sucky thing is when I install it, it's not going to be a perfect carbon roof. But like I said, either way it's going to be painted blue like in the game. And once again, this whole entire piece weighs 7 pounds compared to the OEM. Just metal part, which is 15, and then the sunroof mechanism is like another 30. So this is a lot lighter, and then obviously it doesn't have the sunroof, like I said, just like the car in the game. And it's, yeah, like, it's really light. Yeah, because it's really thin, as you can see by how it bends. It's just fiber composite inside, and that's all we're gonna see when we look up inside the car is that. I'm not gonna paint it white because I feel like having a white roof is gonna be annoying.
I'm gonna paint, your Grim's gonna paint her drawing though.
It's pretty nasty right here. It actually didn't even go all the way through, that's the funny part. Yeah. It's not all the way through, you can't even see through it. But I am gonna have to sand that down completely.
Oh, but I see me. Guy, look, there's Guy. Hi, Guy.
It sucks, but I talked to the company and they're gonna call me tomorrow. It's obviously not their fault, but I can go through UPS and get some kind of money back, at least half its value, if not full value. Probably half its value, just what it would cost to repair this. And then with that, at least then at that case I get the roof for half price or whatever, because it sucks, but like I said, either way it's going to be painted blue, and then I don't know how long I'm going to keep the Need for Speed theme, maybe forever. I'm not modifying the Sentra, obviously. people think I am. I'm literally just as long as it has good tires and it's a good daily. That's all that matters. I just need to charge the AC because the AC doesn't work fully. What are you zooming in on? Zooming in on her. Zoom in on my grandma. She's sleeping. I don't know why. I don't know how. I'm talking over here. I'm like a talk show host. A talk show.
Hi, Kai. Hi, sweet boy. Why are you running from mommy? Hi, baby. You say hi to the camera. Look at how cute you are. Oh, oh, sweet boy. Oh, sweet boy. Ooh.